In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign in to Grammarly step by step so you can get into your account quickly and start using the tool without any confusion. Whether you're using Grammarly for writing, editing, or checking your content, logging in is the first thing you need to do before you can access your dashboard and all of your settings. If this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to grammarly.com. You can type that directly into the address bar and press enter. Once the Grammarly homepage loads, look toward the top right corner of the page. That's where you'll find the login button. Click that button to begin the sign-in process. After clicking login, Grammarly will take you to the login screen. Here, you'll see a field asking for your email address. Enter the email address that's registered to your Grammarly account. Make sure you type it correctly, because this is how Grammarly identifies which account you're trying to access. Once your email is entered, click Continue. Next, Grammarly will ask you to confirm your identity. At this point, you may be prompted to type in your password. Enter your account password carefully, then click Sign In. If you connected your account through a third-party service, you may also see quick login options such as Continue with Google, Continue with Apple, or Continue with Facebook. If that applies to you, simply choose the option that matches the account you originally used to register. After you submit your login details, wait a moment while Grammarly authenticates your account. This usually only takes a few seconds. Once the sign-in is successful, you'll be redirected automatically to your main Grammarly dashboard. From there, you can start writing, reviewing documents, checking suggestions, and managing your account settings. If you ever have trouble signing in, double check that you're using the correct email address and password. Also, make sure you're choosing the same login method you used when you created the account. For example, if you signed up with Google, you will usually need to continue with Google instead of entering a separate password. That small detail can save you a lot of time. And that's it. You now know how to sign in to Grammarly in just a few easy steps. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.